Wizardry on the beat.
What is up guys, this is Wizardry once again with another video. In this video I'm trying to make something out of the Halsey's BBC performance that she did for Lucid Dreams. So I will try to make a chill EDM beat with the vocals, so hopefully I'm able to do something great with them. So if you like the video, please make sure you leave a like, comment and share it with your friends. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell notification so that you don't miss any future updates. So without further ado, let's move into the video. Alright, so we start off by chopping the recording and trying to fit it into the tempo of the track that we have decided. Then I have also pitched it 2 semitones down. Alright, so once we are done with that, the first thing that I did is make chords above this melody. Alright, so once we are done making the chords, I'll copy the top notes and I'll paste it into a pad preset. Alright, time for another pad. These drums would be used in the intro of the song, the second part of the intro. Alright, then I added a low pass filter on these drums all together along with the reverb. Alright, now it's time for the bass. Right, so I would add a filter to the bass to get rid of the high end so that it does not blow your fucking eardrums off. Alright, so now I'm automating the EQ and the reverb from the drum so that they are off when the actual verse come in. Now I'm just removing the low end from the piano so that when the actual bass come in, there is no bass coming from the piano. It's just in the first part of the intro. I just added a tape stop effect just before the verse, like that. So I'll just automate this plugin. So right before the verse, it will stop and then start playing. Little bit EQ on the vocal as well. Now it's time for the breakdown and the build up. So these claps are for the build up. So this is the second half of the build up. Alright, so I don't know what the fuck happened, but my screen recording software just fucked up there. So that is all that I was able to record. So I haven't done really much apart from that. So I just added few effects and I just made the drop. So I already showed you this, and I added a kick on the second half of the build up. Alright, I also added this plugin called Endless Smile. It's really good if you want to make EDM build-ups. So I've automated it. This is basically the whole drop. And then this weird ass lead that I have used in the drop. And I have used a drum loop instead of making my own loop because I'm fucking lazy. But yeah, there it is. So that is all with the video, and I hope you like the video, and the full song would be played just after I finish the video, and it's not mixed properly, it's just for the sake of the video. So in 3, 2, 1.